Thanks for stopping by Rusty Nuts Garage and the things I do. I changed the battery on my 2006 Corvette and now need to set my clock. This video is to show you how I did it. Press and hold either the H or M button just below the tuning dial on the left side of the radio. After the screen shows Adjust Clock, push and keep pushing the H button for the hour and the M button for the minute until the right time shows. Release, and wait for the screen to return back to its original. And you're done.